Alright, the potatoes are now drained. We're going to put them right back into the pot that they were in. And we're going to season them. Put right over the top about a teaspoon of salt. And then instead of black pepper, we're going to make this one a little bit spicier. So we're going to put half a teaspoon of white pepper. We're then going to add a half a cup of sour cream. And then a tablespoon of horseradish. And again, this paste that I'm using is rather mild, so if you're using raw horseradish root, you'd want to cut that in half. So now we're not adding any butter or milk to this because the sour cream is going to act as our butter and milk. Get the skins on, so it's giving that a nice color. We're going to stir and mash, and again, you can do this for as long as you'd like. If you would like it chunky, then do it less.